There's something magical about unboxing a brand new piece of tech. The anticipation builds as you carefully open the box, revealing the sleek, untouched device inside. That feeling of anticipation as you peel back the plastic, the crinkle of the wrapping, and the first glimpse of the pristine screen. The rush of excitement as you hold the device for the first time, feeling its weight and marveling at its design. It's like opening a window to the future, a portal to endless possibilities and innovations. As a tech enthusiast, I live for these moments. Each unboxing is a new adventure, a new story waiting to unfold. The unboxing experience is more than just revealing a product. It's a ritual, a celebration of human ingenuity and creativity. It's about exploring possibilities, embracing innovation, and getting a glimpse into what's next. Each device holds the promise of a better, more connected future. Today we're diving into a world of cutting-edge gadgets, each promising to revolutionize how we live, work, and play. From smart home devices to wearable tech, the future is now. From sleek smartphones to immersive virtual reality headsets, the range of innovations is astounding. The future of tech is here, and it's waiting to be unboxed. Each new gadget is a step forward in our technological journey. Get ready to dive in with me as we explore the latest and greatest tech innovations. Together, we'll uncover the potential of these incredible devices. We'll be taking a closer look at their design, features, and overall performance. Each aspect tells a story of meticulous engineering and forward-thinking design. Buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the heart of innovation. Let's discover what the future holds, one unboxing at a time. First up on our tech lineup is the highly anticipated smartphone, the Nova X. This device has been the talk of the town, and for good reason. This sleek device boasts an edge-to-edge display and a powerful processor, making it perfect for both work and play. Its design is not just about looks, it's about performance too. Next we have the Oro, a pair of truly wireless earbuds designed to deliver an unparalleled audio experience. Whether you're a music lover or a podcast enthusiast, these earbuds have got you covered. They promise active noise cancellation and crystal clear sound, ensuring you hear every detail no matter where you are. Moving on, we have the Vision Pro, a virtual reality headset that aims to redefine immersive entertainment. Step into new worlds and experience gaming like never before. Last but not least, we have the Chrono, a smartwatch that goes beyond fitness tracking to offer advanced health monitoring features. From heart rate to sleep patterns, it keeps you informed about your well-being. Each of these gadgets represents the pinnacle of technological advancement, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into each of these innovations. The Nova X immediately impresses with its sleek design featuring smooth curves and a polished finish. Its vibrant display offers stunning clarity and rich colors, making every image and video pop. The phone feels incredibly premium in hand, with a solid build quality that exudes luxury. Its edge-to-edge screen is perfect for streaming videos and playing games, providing an immersive experience that draws you in. The Oro earbuds are incredibly comfortable to wear, even for extended periods, thanks to their ergonomic design and soft silicone tips. Their compact charging case fits easily in your pocket, ensuring that you can carry them with you wherever you go without any hassle. The Vision Pro headset is surprisingly lightweight and comfortable, allowing for extended use without causing strain. Its adjustable straps ensure a secure and customizable fit, adapting to different head sizes and shapes for maximum comfort. The Chrono smartwatch sports a sleek and minimalist design, making it perfect for both casual and formal occasions. Its versatile look complements any outfit. Its bright and colorful display is easy to read, even in direct sunlight, ensuring you can check the time and notifications at a glance no matter where you are. Section 4. First Impressions, User Experience and Performance. The Nova X's camera is phenomenal. It captures stunning photos and videos, even in low-light conditions. The phone's battery life is also impressive. The Oro earbuds deliver on their promise of exceptional sound quality. The active noise cancellation is effective, blocking out most ambient sounds. The Vision Pro headset provides a truly immersive VR experience. The visuals are sharp and vibrant. The Chrono smartwatch accurately tracks my steps, heart rate, and sleep patterns. Its user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. Section 5. Beyond the hype, practical applications, and everyday impact. These gadgets are more than just cool tech toys. They have the potential to impact our daily lives significantly. The Nova X's powerful processor and long battery life make it the perfect tool for productivity. The RO earbuds can help you focus on work or enjoy music without distractions. The Vision Pro headset can transport you to different worlds, providing entertainment and educational experiences. The Chrono smartwatch can help you make healthier lifestyle choices by providing valuable insights into your health metrics. Section 6. The Future Unboxed, a glimpse into tomorrow. Unboxing these gadgets has given me a glimpse into the future of technology. It's a future where devices are more intuitive, more powerful, and more seamlessly integrated into our lives. I'm excited to see how these innovations will continue to evolve and shape the world around us. These gadgets are a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. The future is bright, and it's filled with technological wonders just waiting to be unboxed. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep exploring the world of tech.